I need to get one more stand for right here. This thing's riding pretty true. Looks good. I did have to change up on the chuck though. This thing here, 3-jaw chuck. Couldn't get it to not wobble. This one here is doing really good, and it's just got a 1-inch foam insert inside it, and it does pretty good actually. I'll be able to do power wrapping with this and drying. There's a right there's a pretty slow, it's not super slow, this is probably about 20-30 RPMs maybe, probably about 30, maybe 35, I don't know. Anyway, it's fast enough for the pre-dry, and then what I'll do is I have this dryer here that has air that comes out of here. It's filtered with two high volume bathroom fans right there, and I can just turn it on by a timer right here, or have it on all the time. And then what that does is it pushes air out so that no dust can infiltrate this way, but it'll blow clean air out this way. No dust this way, clean air that way. And those holes down there, it does a really good job of dispersing the intake up there. And by the time it baffles down to those things right there, the holes, it comes out pretty even from the bottom and top. I had a piece of toilet paper in there and tested it. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, can't wait to get started on it. I don't have the back on it yet, because I'm going to wire in another wire that'll go down and back. I'm not going to do a foot pedal, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it where a wire will come in. I've already ordered it off of Amazon. It'll come in here, and there will be a small box here so that I can hit it. I can hit a momentary button to turn it on. And if I'm going to do wrapping, speed wrapping, I can turn it up a little bit like that, and then hit the button. It'll turn, take the button off, and it'll stop just like that. Okay, so that's my rod building project, and I am very happy with it. The only thing I really wish I had right now, but I gotta wait until it gets here, is a third stand. And those stands are awesome. I absolutely love them. Anyway, till the next video, we will catch you later.